Wooden trays, boxes. Wooden trays, boxes double shaft shredder. The shredder double shaft for big feeding mouth. It can put the wood, big wooden box, plastic or rubber product freely. Planetary reducer, the reducer chassis. Adopts welded box, helical gear, planetary gear transmission. With small volume, low noise, high torque and other characteristics, higher transmission efficiency. Magnetic separator, through suspended magnetic separator and combined with magnetic roller separator, the removal rate of magnetic metal reaches 99.7%. Double shaft shredder with loading hoppers, equipped with high quality. Cutters with low rotation speed for lower energy consumption and noise reduction. The material is powerfully torn and shredded by the talons of the cutting discs. The blade can rotate in opposite direction and close. Automatically, if something unexpected happens, with very high safety service. The shredder double shaft for plastic is controlled by PLC system.